There's one fruit that helps your digestion more than most natural foods, and not because it's high in fiber, not because it's loaded with vitamin C, but because it contains a special enzyme that relieves this heavy feeling after you ate something, the gut discomfort, the bloating, because it helps you to absorb protein faster. What am I talking about? I'm talking about kiwi. So modest and humble on the outside, yet flashy and green in the inside. The truth is, most people dealing with digestive issues, they have a problem breaking down protein. Then often recommended laxatives, other medication, digestive enzymes, supplement overload, when you could just eat kiwi. In this video, I'm going to tell you when is the best time to eat kiwi, who should be careful, and also one natural root that if you combine it with kiwi boosts the digestive effect. It is amazing if you have constipation, SIBO, IBS, especially C-type, malabsorption, or just want to support your digestion to work optimally. This innocent fruit here is going to be your best friend. Weird thing, have you ever seen jello made from kiwi? Like a gelatin wobbly dessert from kiwi? No, right? Me neither. And if you would try to make a dessert from kiwi with gelatin, it would not work because how fast this enzyme is called actinidin works to break down protein. It doesn't just work with the jello, but it also works with your stomach. If your body has problems with producing its own digestive enzymes from your stomach, your pancreas might be overworked, kiwi is here to support you. Now, you should be careful with kiwi if you have obviously a kiwi allergy or a latex allergy because of cross reactions or any type of oral allergy symptoms that you might have experienced with pineapples, kiwis before. Then I recommend you to be careful. Otherwise, the best time and the best way to implement kiwis into your daily life is to have 2 kiwis. I highly recommend eating fruits always on an empty stomach, always alone, not as a fruit salad. For general purposes, it's good to have 1 kiwi in the morning on an empty stomach, not combined with your coffee, obviously. Just eat first the kiwi and then wait 30 minutes before you have coffee or any other foods, and then 1 other kiwi in the afternoon. However, if you have issues with breaking down protein, for this one I'm going to make an exception. There is a benefit of eating kiwi after your meal, after a protein-rich meal, because of the actinidin, the enzyme that breaks down protein, like 30 minutes after your protein-rich meal as a fast-acting emergency solution. However, in general, over a longer period of time, you want to nurture your gut with 2 kiwis a day and always on an empty stomach, either 2 in the morning or 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. And as promised, there's one thing to upgrade your kiwi even more. I'll have it here in the fridge. I'm gonna get it for you. That is amazing if you combine it with kiwi. I have a lot of videos about it, and that is ginger. But not ginger tea. Chewing raw ginger together with kiwi amplifies the benefits of both, because this guy also has digestive enzymes which complement the actinidin in the kiwi. Make sure you watch that next. Kiwi is a great start, but don't stop at kiwi. I made a simple cheat sheet with 6 simple rules to follow to upgrade your digestion naturally without relying on medication or supplements that you can print on your fridge and download here and also in the description below.